What's up, guys? I'm at Lowe's and I found a white Kobalt toolbox. It's got power pack stuff on the side. Right there's where you bring it in, and that's for the top, and that's for the bottom. It's not a bad toolbox, guy. You know, it's got a little bit of quality to it. The only thing I don't like about it, guys, is those you push in, they stick like. Now I wish this here was deeper. If anybody works at Lowe's and builds these toolboxes, you should make this at least 5 inches deep. At least 5 inches. But it's not a bad looking box, guys. I mean, it is whatever you want it to be. You know, I like it because it's white. I like it because it's white, and it is about 18 inches deep. Let's see, one is 41. It's 41 inches. It don't really say. It's probably about 18 inches deep. You know, it's okay, guys. For a home, for a home garage, it's not too bad. See, this is the drawer. This drawer, that's about a 5-inch drawer, should be right there. I like the white. I like it because it's white. It's a nice little box, guys. 2,000 pound capacity casters with locks. So not bad box, guys. Let's see, we got handles on the side. So power strip, everything that you need, just like the big boys, only on a smaller scale, cheaper scale. Alright, guys, this is the Kobalt white 41-inch toolbox, tool chest, whatever you want to call it, workbench. I guess it's got multiple things. Alright, guys, till the next time, bye bye.